Hi guys, if you love muffins, then you definitely love this recipe. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these super easy and delicious oatmeal muffins. You can have them for breakfast or enjoy them as a snack. These muffins are quick to make, so let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your muffin tin with some papers. Spray with some baking spray. In a large bowl, mash some ripe bananas. So mash your bananas until you have a consistency like this. Then I'm adding in some sugar, oil, some vanilla essence, and salt. Mix everything together until well combined. The list of ingredients with their quantities will be in the description box below, so do well to check them out. Next, add in the oat flour. Oat flour is quite easy to make. You can check out this video on how to make it. Next, add in your natural cocoa powder, some pumpkin seeds. The seeds are optional. You can also replace them with some chopped nuts if you prefer. Add in your baking powder and baking soda. Gently mix everything together until well combined. I would like to thank my returning subscribers for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. You guys are amazing. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and be a part of the family. Thank you. Next, evenly divide the batter into 9 muffin cups. Guys, can you see how quick and easy these muffins are? Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. So to finish them off, I'll top the muffins with some chopped nuts and chocolate. Our muffins are ready to go into the oven. Bake 20 to 25 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean when inserted in the center. Our muffins are ready after 20 minutes and they look so good. Guys, you've got to try this recipe. These muffins are soft and super delicious. If you enjoyed the recipe, watch the Easy Banana Bread Recipes playlist next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.